Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Let's quickly cover GMT. At the moment, GMT is just, because of Bitcoin, we had a lot of the market take a pullback, a dump. Now let's see what GMT is doing. Okay, GMT, it had this spike up, came down. We had this falling channel like that, but we broke out of it. Got rejected by the 0.618 level. Now we are coming back down. Okay, now we have to basically what it's doing, what I feel is, you have this resistance in place and you have this support area right over here. Okay, this over here. Okay, so it's making kind of uh, like a symmetrical triangle formation, but I think it's trying to it's trying to hold it at the moment, but very close to it. We are right on it, and you can see it's coming down right now. If it breaks it, yeah, you are gonna come down, and obviously, symmetrical triangles usually they are bullish patterns when they are on the, they are on the, when they're going up. Okay, but now you can see a lot of bullish patterns within this symmetrical triangle that I see. Okay, you can see this bearish head and shoulder pattern that was made right over here. We had this price target, and then not only that, we had this. If you go to the lower time frames, you'll be able to see it. See this bearish head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and we had this technical target right over here. You can see we came and met it on these areas over here. Okay, was met. Now we have uh, this bearish head and shoulder pattern. Okay, I mean, look at this one. Okay, it's not able to break this area, and this area is coming all the way from here as well, which was the neckline. Now, if it breaks it, you have a price target. I'm not saying it will break it. It might just bounce back up, break this resistance, and go over here because in the end, it is a symmetrical triangle. It has held before once, twice. Now it's trying the third time. Now, if it holds it, in the 3 hourly time frame, let's see where the EMAs are. You can see 55 is right above the price at the moment, and we have this 100 moving average. I believe if the price falls, it can come all the way to the 100 moving average, where it's lying at 196. But I told you whenever we had this pattern over here, I told you that we had this, head and shoulder target that it was trying to get to, and you can see it's lying around at the 170 levels, okay? But again, now it's not necessary it always reaches the price target. It can always find support before, like 185, $1.85 level is a very strong level. If we just measure it through the Fibonacci, uh, you can also see we do have the 1.272 Fibonacci level sitting right over here, okay? But first it's gonna, if it breaks, this is only if it breaks this resistance, support line, okay? First it will fall to the one level, which is this low over here at $2.06, and then it might just do something like this. If it falls, retest, then come down, okay? It might also try to find support at this support line. So a lot of support in this areas in the 3 hourly time frame. So just look out for these supports. And again, let me just quickly take this off. If it, if Bitcoin starts moving upwards, then it might be a little bit tough for um, the price to break down. But Bitcoin has to make a move towards the upside. At the moment, Bitcoin is looking a little bit weak. So, because the price it was doing something like this. You can clearly see if Bitcoin picks up, we break this uh, resistance, we are gonna start going up to these $250 levels. And why would we go up there? I'll show you pretty quickly. We take a Fibonacci and you just measure this move. You can see clearly this area is an area of significance of 0.618 level, okay? And you can see it's aligning exactly over here, and also the resistance line is aligning very perfectly. So if we happen to break this area, we will go up here, hit this level of 0.618. If we are able to break this resistance, then upside is coming, okay? Upside, I mean, we weren't able to see when we broke this area of resistance right over here where we had this falling channel. I told you once we have a break, we're going to rally towards the upside, and you can see a beautiful pump of about, I think this was a pump of about 27%. So same way, when this break happens, I think this time it's gonna pump even further because this is the main resistance. Okay, we already came out uh, exactly like over here. Okay, see when we break out of resistance, we pump, then we fall, make another pump, pump. Okay, so this could be, if once we break this now, that's going to be the best, I guess, the huge pump. But it all depends if we can break the resistance. But we had the support right now, and you have the support. You can just measure the supports through here, right over here, and then you can see accordingly where the Fibonacci levels are. Okay, if it breaks now, if it breaks to the upside, you could always do this like that. Okay, and measure this move. This is where the resistance of 0.618 level is. And I can also show you where this resistance area you were getting right from here. Okay, you can see, yeah, right from here you can see we came here, got rejected by the 0.618, and we came down. Okay, so a lot of rejections happening right now, but let's see what happens if it can hold it in the at least the 4 hourly. I would say if it can hold it, then we will have another pump towards the upside. Okay, and you can also come to the 1 hourly time frame and just draw this. Uh, yeah, just draw this line. Okay, you just have to break this area of $2.30. Break over it. Okay, in the I would say in the let's see, yeah, in the 4 hourly. Okay, if you break it, close the candle above it, then you're rallying towards the upside. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. This is it for GMT. Hope this brought you some new information. And if you're liking this kind of content, kindly hit the like button because your likes are telling me you want more of GMT videos coming out. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.